Oh, well, it's 12 something at night. Out here trying to take care of some cold weather. As you can see already, I mean, let's see if we can get this. We've already got a pretty good amount of ice on the ground so far. As you guys can see, in some of these areas, these rocks are not safe to step on. I mean, here's a good example. I mean, look at this hood. I mean, look how much ice is on this thing so far. Oh, it's 12 something at night. Probably one of the coolest conditions for this camera to have been out. Oh, man, that's just freezing. Oh, my camera thing is getting all wet. You can probably hear the pitter patter of the rain off my shirt, coat. Yeah. I mean, here's so much. We've had so much ice. Let me pull this windshield wiper forward. And that's just a solid block of ice right through there. And this windshield looks like it's like textured glass. Oh man, my hand's getting numb. So right now, right here, let me look at this. We have icicles hanging off the bottom of this thing. Oh, it's a perfect example. I mean, this is just a thing of ice strewn right across the darn windshield. Hopefully, I believe this thing unlocks this door. Oh yes. Okay, this door is closing. Yeah. It's something 20 something degree. It's probably, I bet it's in 20 degree area. Let me check this thing here. Oh. Oh. Actually quite warm in here. But it's probably not worth the warmth. Oh, let's see. Oh. I'm pretty sure it's colder than that. I'm pretty sure it's colder than 30 degrees. This Van's thermometer does not work well unless it's moving. So I bet it is below 30 degrees. And it's probably dropping. It's probably going to drop even more. And we're supposed to have 3 or 4 days of this crud. That's going to be a lovely week until Wednesday with this. So far, Boy Scouts for me was canceled tonight. Let me just take a look at this. I actually salted this porch and it's already trying to freeze over. It's already trying to freeze over. Yeah, I mean, this is not a good weather. Oh man. Yeah, it's probably some of the coolest operating conditions this camera's ever run in, and I'm sure its battery's dying quicker than normal. I mean, seriously. This is probably some of the coolest conditions we've had here. A long while. Let's see if I have my shovel over here somewhere. Oh, great. No shovel. Just an air tank and a piece of wood. And a blue rhino. I'm actually literally slanging all over the place. Blue rhino tank. It'll be nice for my cat. Break the ice in her bowl. Water bowl. Yeah. If you want to see something pretty amazing, look at this. This is how thick the ice is so far out here. It's just caked on this thing. Glass. Take a look at this. I mean, pretty well crystal clear. And seriously, man, this is untouched. Just look at this. Even caked up the side of this thing. Something I've never seen before. Yeah. Just covered a darn porch in ice, but as you can see, this ice storm that's coming through here has been touched on television. It's nothing to joke about. It really is bad as I say it was. Alright. I'm done for now with this video. But, yeah, cold, my hands getting numb. Sure, due to weather conditions. It's just miserable. And they're supposed to have this till at least Wednesday. This is gonna be a miserable night. This is gonna be a miserable few days. Okay. See you some other time, YouTube.